Welcome back to Squawk Box. 5 things to know ahead of the opening bell. Pfizer winning a bidding war for the obesity drug developer Metsera. Now, Metsera is accepting a sweetened offer from Pfizer late Friday, citing U.S. antitrust risks from another bid by Novo Nordisk. Meantime, shares of Diageo, they're higher. The company has appointed the former CEO of UK grocer giant Tesco as its new CEO. Dave Lewis is going to be taking over at the start of 2026. And UPS and FedEx grounding their combined fleet now of more than 50 McDonnell Douglas and MD-11 cargo planes. That follows that crash of a UPS MD-11 in Kentucky last week that killed at least 14 people. And Visa and MasterCard are closing in on a settlement with merchants over credit card interchange fees after 2 decades of legal wrangling. That's according to a Wall Street Journal report. And the leader and head of news at the BBC resigning amid criticism over the way the news organization edited a speech by President Trump on January 6, 2021, before protesters stormed the U.S. Capitol. Critics said the way the speech was edited for a BBC documentary last year was misleading and removed context.
We talked about it at length, Metsera. So it's $10 billion.
Yep.
Remember, Pfizer was at 7.3, Novo, and it was done. And they had regulatory approval on everything. And then Novo Nordisk, Ozempic, they wanted it so badly, they came in at 9, and people weren't sure whether they could even do it. And then Pfizer actually matched the sweetened bid from Novo Nordisk, actually a little bit above it. Look, it could be worth as much as $10 billion. It just shows you Pfizer needed to get in, after, betting the ranch on COVID-type stuff and the stocks in the 20s. And this is going to be, people say it's going to be a $125 billion
industry
market.
Look at that. This Metsera shares down by almost 15% this
and
morning.
Novo
They expected that bid to continue. Pfizer shares are up too, though.
Yeah.
At least not down.
Not
on some
a lot of money, but it's a fair amount.
Yeah.